best way to predict your future is to create it. Presenting to you one of its kind and India's first institute that will enhance the future of the youth with unprecedented standards.
We need a lot of drone pilots across the country and across the world because drones are transforming the entire world. They are the new dimension of the aviation industry.
Indian Institute of Drones provides the nation's highest quality drone training with a simple yet comprehensive model with a mission to produce the most competent drone pilots.
We started IID 3.5 years back, knowing the fact that a lot of drone operators have been crashing their drones in the first attempt itself. And that was the primary reason why we started the Indian Institute of Drones. We at IID have been expanding rapidly the last 3 years after training more than 2,000 drone pilots.
Indian Institute of Drones is a training wing of Jonet Technologies and was founded by Lieutenant Commander John Livingstone, who worked with the Indian Navy as a UAV external pilot, who not only have humongous amount of flying time but are primarily from the defense background with certifications from the Ministry of Defense. Before venturing into the business world with more than a decade's experience in drone systems.
This drone JR5 is extremely stable and absolutely the best drone in order to conduct trainings. So this also can be used to conduct micro category trainings also. So as a franchisee, you will be receiving this drone from us, and this will help you to enhance your training academy.
The institute, whose branches are in Noida, Chennai and Podili, intends to offer the required skill set that tick the DGCA boxes, as well as delivers courses that are insightful, fun and above all extend the superior safety and security that the Indian aviation industry admires.
Now enhanced and enriched our entire training curriculum. We also have a lot of military trainee instructors who use the military structure for training, be it fixed wings or multi-rotors. That is what we are really enjoying, at the same time expanding our business opportunities with IID.
It takes pride in its highly trained staff. With having trained 2,000 pilots alone across Asia, the institute is now expanding the IIT franchise in partnerships.
We have now opened up the doors for franchisees. We want to expand to the entire nation, opening up business opportunities for all the franchisees. Partnering with us will help everybody to grow their business as well as make a lot of money.
IIT offers a variety of courses with a mission to revolutionize the future of drone industry.
It's been a wonderful journey with IID. We had a freedom of choice here. I have personally come up with ideas which we have implemented and got successful. And franchises coming into on board, they can make money as well, the name and branding.
The training at the institute will be carried out by highly qualified instructors, having more than 1,500 hours of combined flying experience, giving the learners an in-depth knowledge in unmanned flying and in unmanned systems technologies as per the DGCA.
Indian Institute of Drones has been able to impart quality education in terms of fixed wing training course, both in theoretical as well as practical. So this experience has been wonderful for me.
IID was on top of the search results for drone pilot training in India, and I went ahead and did a 3-day multi-rotor pilot course with them. It was an absolutely fantastic journey for me.
With such immense potential, the future of drones looks highly promising. Enthused with an enthralling vision and a gush of aspirations. Indian Institute of Drones, soaring high in the sky.